So I got this to work after a few hours of programming, or trying to figure out, not really programming. Programming's quite short, like the program is quite short. It's just that it's quite complicated to understand. So there's a X value, Y value is this one. It sends a signal to there. Then after that, I have to tell it to read the signal from analog read. Then I have to print it to be able to see the signal right here. Y value is currently, I can't see, 512, but it keeps changing because it's a sensitive joystick. I move it down, it should go up to 700, and then I put it back to the middle. X value 500, I shift it to the left, should be decreasing. Yep, 250 around there. So that's basically what I've done with just the joystick so far. This thing didn't come with servos, so I might order them soon, but they might arrive after a few weeks.